Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CODX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the crazy movement. I mean, already before the final 30 minutes. I mean, the chart had already made the gap up, had already had solid little volume, and then the last 30 minutes showed up, massive volume and the big price movement right there. So now it's really just a question of, is this the start of something bigger? What's going on? And, is there a true power behind this price movement? I have no idea, but a very straightforward way to gauge that is by watching this level right here at $3.40. Why is $3.40 going to be helpful? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements that, are truly strong, that are the start of something bigger, well, the price is going to keep on getting bigger, right? The price is not going to go back to where it was. And that's where $3.40 comes into play. And I'm not saying this will occur, but let's say that the price comes back down to $3.40 and then just continues on down. At that point, what would you have? Well, from a very literal perspective, you'd have the price quite literally right back inside of that range that it just broke out of during that last 30 minutes. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price were to come down here, behave like that, and then start to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have lows down there. You'd have those lows, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps still making progress in the upwards direction. So to me, $3.40 is going to be a very revealing level going forward on just whether or not this surge means anything, or if this was just some sort of knee-jerk reaction where the price all of a sudden goes right back to where it was. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy here. The price got rejected and, this crazy movement finally stopped right up there at about $4.40. So that'll be the main level from the resistance side of things. But again, in my mind, that the key dynamic here is not necessarily about breaking levels of resistance. Let's just see if the price can start to show some signs of progress, and that all starts with that $3.40 mark. So we'll see what happens with it. The week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.